Welcome to Grumpy John's Garage. What I thought I'd show you today is 2015 Vauxhall Mokka. This is the car that I showed you in one of my last videos. This is a damaged repairable, bought from Copart. What I'll do, I'll update you on this repairs as well. As you can see, it's in primer. Just got to rub the primer down today. We repair. You remember me showing you the damage there, and a bit of damage here, and a wee chunk of old repair. So panels prepped, and as you can see, the colour's a bit different. It doesn't look like that when it was shiny. It doesn't look as bad as that, but what I'm doing, because that is an old repair from someone else. Why the heck they would do edge to edge, I don't know, but then again, it's all about money. What I'm doing is I just prep that and I'll just go, I'll just blend it in. New wing and a wee repair to the bumper. That wasn't much, that was just that I'd scuffed it and taken a bit of the paint off. Again, that'll just get blended to there. But yeah, what a colour. It's called Orange Rock. What I thought I'd show you is this. This is the Standox mixture. There it is. There it is. Opel Vauxhall G6V Orange Rock. And as you can see at the top there, Sunrise Orange. And it is WB350. That's a special tinter. And if I was to mix a litre, I would need 422 grams to mix a litre. Okay? Now this is from February 22, this price list. Now as you look here, 350 Sunrise Orange. For a quarter litre, it costs £434. £434. And if I was making up a litre, I would need 2 of them. But I didn't. I've only mixed a half a litre. But I didn't pay that amount of money. I'm not that daft. What I done, I phoned the local distributor that sells the paint that I buy my paint off, and I got him to mix half a litre for me. Cost a wee bit more because it's a peril, and I think it was like £120 for a half a litre. It's better than having to spend £430 odd plus VAT. That's better than having to buy it. Card ran out of space there. That's the cheapest way of doing it. Save me having to spend all that money just to get a tinter, just to mix it myself. I don't know when I'm going to get to paint this. I've got to wait for the wing. What I'll do with the wing is I'll paint the outer edges of the wing first, fit it, and then I'll paint the whole side together. That way I'm getting the correct amount of passes over the wing and the door at the same time. So I can blend the colour into the door as well, give it a wee fluff. And with that, I'm going to have a cup of tea, because it's absolutely freezing here. First frost I had to scrape the windows this morning. And with that, I'd like to thank you for watching. Catch you in the next one.